Hi everyone, my name is Jason Indigito. Today I want to share this story. It's all about God keeps His promises. Noah and his family had been on the ark for a long time. After 40 days and nights of the rain falling, the ark floated across the water. The whole world was covered, even the highest mountains. They had been on the ark for many days. But God hadn't forgotten Noah and his family or the animals. God sent a strong wind over the earth, and the water started to recede. Then one day the ark came to rest in the mountains of Ararat. The water continued to go down, and the mountains became visible, but Noah and his family didn't know if it was safe to leave the ark yet. After 40 days, Noah sent out a raven, but the raven was a strong bird. It started to fly back and forth over the water. It would keep flying until it found somewhere dry to land. Noah decided to send out a dove. The dove came back. She had found nowhere to land. Noah waited a week, and he sent the dove out again. She returned with an olive leaf in her mouth. Noah knew that the water had receded, but he waited one more week and sent out the dove again. This time she did it back again